We are pleased to show you the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, power windows, electronic stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.